customers, when they come in, they step back and they have to take everything in because everything is completely new. Very beautiful, sleek, new signage. Fashion is now twice the size, the lighting is so bright, and it really highlights all of our brands.
It's been a record year at Walmart Canada. We've invested over $300 million on remodeling over 80 stores.
What I love about our renovation is that not only was thinking about our customer, is always thinking in associate, how we will have our work done in a better way, in an easy way for us.
Store looks full with all the items ready to go to customers' hands. It's really nice to have new technologies.
That will definitely put us in a place where we are able to deliver for our customers and expand our business for the future. We've widened some of the aisles and there's so much customer space.
The customers are very happy and they love the new look.
I really like that it's easy to navigate through and I can find everything that I need. It's very nice and clean.
I definitely feel like there is a huge sense of pride within our store as a result of the reno.